more people like her, though. So let's go ahead and get started with a look at the forecast, guys. I wanted to begin with some lightning kind of awareness for you, especially as we're getting further into severe weather season. We're starting to see more of those thunderstorms pop up, and I wanted to briefly go over the different types of lightning we see and how it affects us humans. There's first the direct strike, and this is often what we think about when we think of lightning strikes, that bolt coming down and hitting us directly. This is when we often have those problems, even deadly too. So not a good situation. The second type is the slide flash, where it usually hits something taller than us, a nearby tree or building, and then it kind of jumps over and strikes us. The third type is actually the ground current, and this one's a little funny. You don't really think about this. It hits the tree and kind of goes into the ground here, and that's why when we have maybe livestock or even people nearby and sitting underneath the tree, that's when we can get those indirect strikes too, and that's not going to make for a good situation. But especially, we know we have a lot of agriculture going up across the eastern side of the state. Livestock often kind of injured and even dying from that kind of strike. We also have conduction here, and this one, we talk a lot about metal being a good conductor for electricity. Same kind of thing. When it hits a metal fence, metal wire, and we're leaned up against that metal fence, we're going to run into some problems here. So just to kind of be aware of there, it's not just a bolt coming down from the middle of the sky when we're out in the open. It can also strike you even if you're nearby. So that's why we always encourage you guys to get inside and away from those windows, away from the outdoors. And the good news is, at least we're not looking at any thunderstorms this morning, but there is some in the forecast over the next coming days. So let's jump into it. Doppler radar showing a clear sky out there, a little bit of cloud cover out across west central New Mexico, but nothing in the way of rain or snow. Temperatures this morning, 20s and 30s, mostly to the north of Interstate 40. You'll find some 40s and 50s further to the south. Albuquerque right in the middle at about 50 degrees to start our day. We're talking 70s this afternoon. Now, yesterday we topped out at 77. We'll be close to that once again, but I do expect a lot more sunshine today and a little bit of cloud cover creeping in later on tonight ahead of our next storm. So briefly looking at this, storm itself is going to pass to the north, but it's still going to be close enough to where it can pull in a little bit of moisture ahead of it out of our western New Mexico here, and I do think that's where we have the best shot of the showers and thunderstorms getting into tomorrow and Saturday, possibly a stray shower here in the metro. But those of us near that Arizona-New Mexico state line, you guys are favored for some rain by tomorrow. So let's take it closer to home. Southern Colorado, nothing to worry about today. Sunny and warm with high temps in the mid to upper 60s. Expect increasing cloud cover and a few of those showers making it into your area by tomorrow afternoon. Northwest, sunny and 70s too. We got a lot of those 70s on the map today compared to yesterday, and they'll stick around for another day tomorrow. But again, increasing cloud cover and some showers possible tomorrow afternoon. Southwest, you're going to be some of the first to see the clouds moving in later on today. Those will continue into tomorrow. And you'll notice our temperatures in the 70s and 80s today. A little cooler by a few degrees for our Friday, but not much. We're still pushing 80 in Las Cruces. Southeastern plains, partly cloudy and breezy. High temps in the mid to upper 70s today. We'll jump into the 80s tomorrow. As we get into the northeast, here's our one and only spot for a few of those showers to get up later on today. It's not going to be much, though. I don't expect as many as compared to what we had developed yesterday. Northern mountains, an isolated shower. Red River at 54, Espanola 71, and Santa Fe coming in the low 70s over the next couple of days. East Mountains partly sunny with temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. We'll also be looking at a chance for some thunderstorms by Saturday. Metro looking at high temps in the mid to upper 70s. Good amount of sunshine overhead, but a few more clouds getting in here later on tonight. And those clouds will stick around through Friday and Saturday. Stray shower possible tomorrow afternoon. Nothing I would rearrange your day over, but you'll notice we are slightly cooler, that is, to finish up the weekend on Sunday. And if that storm does decide to change tracks on us, we'll let you know on Twitter and Facebook. But until then, western New Mexico, get ready for a little bit of moisture tomorrow.
A little bit cooler, still in the 70s. I'm
exactly.
fine with it.
We'll take it.
All right, thanks so much.